Find an image of a person lying on the floor. Import it to Photoshop. Make sure her face has no emotions. I mean, we're going to take out her brain after all. Find an image of her brain, or use yours if you have an extra one. Import it to Photoshop. Use quick selection tool to select the brain. And now create a mask. Lol, her brain is bigger than her head. So yeah, make it smaller. Go to filter and camera raw filter. Change the colors of her brain to make it match the other image. Select curvature pen tool. And now very slow, start cutting out her forehead. I know this sounds creepy, but I promise I am a normal person. At least most of the time. Okay, let me shut up and continue the tutorial. Now go and convert this path into a selection. Now just go and create a mask with this selection. And now just click Ctrl or Command plus I. And boom, the mask is inverted. Create a solid color and change its color to dark red. And now it's time to add some shadows. Create a new empty layer. Choose your brush tool and select some dark brown color. And now just start drawing around the borders. Take curvature pen tool and start drawing lines. Convert it into shape. Change the color to a gradient. Select smudge tool and start smudging stuff to make it look like a liquid. Create copies of it and boom chicka boom. Change their blending mode to hard light. Import water image and blend it. Create clipping mask to make it appear only on the lines. Now add some to the brain. Color her eyes with black color. Import just a random texture and blend it with the image to give it some texture feelings. And voila, my dear friends, here's our beautiful artwork. Magnificent. Go to learnfromfred.com and start learning for free to become a creative monster.